What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing Diablo East. I'm going to be trying out this radar to try and catch some huge bluegill. Hopefully we can do it. I also have my bass rods just in case with me and probably make a few casts with that. But we'll see if we can make something happen, guys. Let's get to it. Alright guys, this is the fish finder I'm going to be using. I don't know exactly how it works. I think you just dip it in the water. Pretty simple. Requires 4 batteries, 4 AAA batteries, which is insane. I'm gonna be fishing these docks here. Usually it's really hard to locate the school of bluegill. I mean, you can drop your bait down there, but like this whole dock, you don't know where they're at. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my fish finder in and see exactly where these fish are. I'm assuming they're a little deeper right now. It's pretty cold, but I'll go ahead and drop it in, guys, and see where these fish are. Okay guys, so right here I'm marking a ton of fish. They're at the bottom, 8.1 meters. It's not in feet. I don't know how to change it, guys. Right here at the end of the dock, I'm marking a ton of fish, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and rig up and see if I can catch any here, guys. Oh, I just got bit, guys. I'm getting bit. He's eating it, guys. He's eating it. Sorry about the wind, guys. It's pretty bad. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. Oh no, I think I lost him. Yep, I lost him, guys. I had him there for a second, but he came off. Okay guys, I might switch to the other dock because I'm not getting many bites. I mean, I got a few bites here and there. Might switch to that dock over there, see if those fish want to eat. And then I have some other docks in mind that I want to try. Maybe these tires behind me have bluegill. I've never actually tried to fish for bluegill in those tires. Maybe I might stop there, see if I get any bites there. Go ahead and go to that dock over there right now in a few minutes, and then to the tires. And I'll keep y'all updated as I go. So I've made it to the next spot. Sorry about the wind. It's pretty windy in this spot also. Way worse than the dock. I think there's bluegill here. I don't know. I've never fished here for bluegill. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss the fish finder in and see if it marks any fish. 3.4 meters. Still don't know how many feet that is. And I'm not marking any fish. Either way, just to test out how accurate this thing is, I'm gonna throw my bait down there. If I get a bite, I know this thing isn't accurate. Keep it there for a few seconds. I trust this thing. At the same time, I don't. Yes, it is pretty. I guess this thing isn't accurate. I have a fish on, guys. It seems decent. Yeah, this thing isn't accurate, guys. Okay, it's marking 1 fish now. There you go, guys. First fish of the day. Very pale bluegill. Not used to what I'm catching. All right, go ahead and let this fish go. Not bad. First fish of the day. Let's see if we can catch some bigger ones though. Oh, my rod tip just went down. That was a really good bite. That was a pretty good bluegill. All right, I'm gonna keep fishing. Oh, good. Getting bit. There we go, guys. That's a nice one. That is a nice bluegill. Big one, guys. Big bluegill. Huge bluegill. Oh my god. That is a big bluegill. Oh my god. Get over here, buddy. Get over here. Huge bluegill. That is a giant, guys. Giant bluegill. Holy crap. All right, chill, buddy. Chill. Oh my god, you guys. This is probably my personal best bluegill. I can lip this guy. That's how big this guy is. All right, guys, I got the hook out. Go ahead and release this fish pretty quickly. What a catch, guys. That is probably the biggest bluegill I've ever caught. He was fighting so hard. I'm like, yeah, this is a big one. That is the biggest bluegill I have ever caught. That was insane, guys. All right, let's see if we can catch some more like that. All right, guys, so I'm also going to bass fish here and there for a little bit. I'm not going to bass fish here too much because this spot is pretty pressured. But I'll go ahead and make a few casts. You never know. I have a few more spots where I can bluegill fish. I just got bumped, guys. There we go, guys. First bass of the day, and I lost them, of course. Didn't feel like a huge fish, guys. Not bad. I am fishing a very highly pressured area, so that was pretty impressive, guys. All right, guys, I'll keep fishing. Have a few more spots. See if we can land a bass. Probably not. Keep bluegill fishing. Keep bass fishing. Hopefully I can land a bass today, guys. Probably will, but we'll see. So I've made it to the final spot of the day. Well, the final spot for bluegill fishing. I still have some spots to bass fish, but I'll get to that later. But I'm gonna see if there's any big ones here. There might be because there's a ton of docks and structure right here. So maybe there's some bluegill here. Well, guys, I have a bluegill on. Feels like a nice one. I didn't even know I had him on. Feels like a decent one, not too bad. Ooh, that's another nice bluegill. Another chunker, guys. There we go. What is that, 3rd bluegill of the day? Not as big as the 2nd one. Go ahead and get this hook out. Not bad, guys. It's been a while since I've caught a bluegill. All right, there you go, guys. I got the hook out. Go ahead and release him real quick. Not a bad fish, guys. Third bluegill of the day. Let's keep fishing, see if we can catch some more. There we go. What is this, fourth bluegill of the day? This thing is inaccurate. What in the world? I didn't even mark that fish. There you go, guys. Fourth bluegill of the day. All right, fourth bluegill of the day. There he goes. This thing is inaccurate. I didn't even mark that fish. Hey, bud, can you stop making noises? There you go, guys. What is that, like fifth, sixth bluegill of the day? Oh, that's a giant. That is, oh, it's a baby bass. There we go, guys. Largy, smallie? I can't tell. Looks like a little largemouth. No way. There you go, guys. First bass of the day. Not a giant. It looks like a smallie. No, I think it's a largemouth. Little largemouth. Not bad, guys. Go ahead and get a release on this guy. There he goes. Fought so hard. Wow, guys, I didn't think we were gonna catch a largie on live bait. Pretty cool little largemouth. Guess we'll keep fishing, see if we can catch maybe another largemouth, hopefully. Oh, did I just get thumped? Please tell me I got thumped. Oh, I had a fish, guys. No way. I didn't hook him though. There we go, guys. That's a nice bass. That feels like a nice one. No, he came off. He came off, guys. He came off. He came off. Guys, that felt like a 3-4 pounder. No way. That was a nice fish. I saw the shade of black. He seemed pretty decent. I'm not gonna think about that. Alright, everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day at all. I caught probably 6 bluegill or so and a little largemouth. At the end, I did lose a huge largemouth, probably 3 or 4 pounds. But I did get a huge bluegill, probably the biggest I have ever caught. I don't know what the leg record is here, but that was huge, guys. I mean, let me know down in the comments below if y'all have ever caught a bluegill that big. That was seriously one of the biggest bluegill I have ever caught. I could barely fit it in my hand. It was huge, guys. Pretty good day after all. Not a bad day. I enjoyed today. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.